What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where do you live?
I live in Canada.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee every morning.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every night.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook dinner most days.
Do you exercise often?
Yes, I go running twice a week.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and relax.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Where were you born?
I was born in Mexico. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What color is your hair?
My hair is brown.
Do you like shopping?
Not really. I hate it.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you have social media?
Yes, I use Instagram every day.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
My favorite sport to watch is football.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden. What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I love camping in summer.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a doctor.
Do you talk on the phone a lot?
No, I prefer texting.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I enjoy painting in my free time.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.